This is example 1. So we're going to use the information in the diagram to determine the height of the tree to the nearest foot. So there are 2 different ways that you can solve this. We have these tick marks right here that mean that these segments are equal. So the tree is a mid-segment. So the first way you can do it is you can think about, okay, this tree is 1/2 the size of the building. So it's 1/2 of 160 feet, which is 80 feet. There's one way you can do it. The other way you can do it is by setting up a proportion. You could put these measurements here, since these mean that they're equal, and we can use this as x, and we can say, okay, we know that these 2 match up, and then the tree and this line right here, this whole line is 240. And then we want to know, like, this little triangle is 120 because it makes 2 triangles. Like, we have this 160 over here, and then this really long side, which is 120 plus 120, which is 240. And then the little triangle right here, which is we don't know how big the tree is, and then 120. So when you cross multiply, you end up getting the same thing, 80. So there's 2 ways you can do it. You can think of it as a mid-segment, so you can take half the height of the building, or you can set up a proportion and solve it out if you don't remember this theorem that we learned last unit, and solve it that way.